I'm happy when I shop and I'm happiest when I unpack my orders. So, yesterday I received my first ever order from a brand called Pure Me, and they have some amazing stuff. And this order or the shopping is slightly different because this is that one brand which I came across Instagram and I placed my order. So I'll show you what all things I bought. So let me tell you, these are raw materials. These are like for DIYs, and they are mostly skincare and hair care, something which I love. So yes, if you love skincare, hair care, especially which is natural, free of chemical preservatives, and plus if you enjoy watching the swatches of these products, keep watching. I love DIYs, and if the product says it's natural, it's free of chemicals, I'm just sold out for it. So if you are also someone who loves natural products, high five. So I came across this brand on Instagram, as I said. To be frank, I was a bit skeptical about placing my order because I have never placed an order on the brand which I came across on social media. So this was the first brand, and they don't have a website of their own yet. So I was a bit worried whether to place an order or not, because it's all prepaid orders, so you have to pay beforehand. And but I did my research. I went through their Instagram page and Facebook page, and they have some amazing reviews by the customers. And so I did place my order because they have some amazing stuff. If you love skincare and hair care products, this page is for you, my dear. It has a lot of amazing stuff. So I'll start from the first step of it, how to place an order. So as I said, they don't have a website of their own right now. So you have to place an order through WhatsApp, which is more convenient, I felt. So you just have to place you just have to ping them firstly, and they'll send you a catalog. And that catalog, trust me, it's a wonderland for me, at least, because they have some amazing stuff. The list, if you go through that list, it feels like, oh my god. So I couldn't just resist, so I had to place my order. And once you share the order list, so they'll give you the total price of it, and you have to pay through WhatsApp, the Google Pay or Paytm, and that's how you place an order. The delivery time depends on your location, of course, and for me it took around 4-5 days. So they are based in Bangalore, so Bangalore will be the origin of this transmit. So if you are in Bangalore, it will reach you very fast. I am in Pune, and it took around 4-5 days for me to reach. So this is how the outer packing is, the typical one. But inside it has piece of heaven. So let me show you the basic packing. The products they are of glass pack. So all these packages are made of glass. So they had to take extra precaution so that there is no damage while it's in transmission. So yes, they had wrapped each glass jar with a bubble wrap, and on top of it they had wrapped it with paper. So I kind of liked it because they took a care of making sure that the product reaches their customer in a better shape. So I really liked it. So also I must mention that each jar had this cello tape attached to it so that there is no spillage. So yes, for the packing, it's a thumbs up, Pure Me. So I have unpacked all these products, so it's not going to be a typical unpacking, but I have unpacked it so that I could show you the close-up of each product. So let's start by the first product, which I came across on their Instagram page, and that particular product gave me this urge to place an order with them. So this is the product. They have this sister product. I must tell you, the tagging on Instagram post really work, at least for a stalker like me. I stalk their both brands. They have this sister product or the sister brand, which is called Pure Skin Blends. So this is their Pure Magica. So I'll show you the close-up. So the thing I liked about each product is they have the ingredient list mentioned, how to use is mentioned, and also benefits of each product has been mentioned on the product pack. And this particular cream is for day and night use. The texture is amazing. It smells really nice. I feel like getting a spoon and start eating this. So delicious. And so this is basically for the uneven skin tone. So it's for fading the blemishes, dark spots, etc. So I am going to make a separate video for each product when I use them and share my reviews of them. So let's get into the second product. Gels. They have 5 different variants of gels: aloe vera gel, cucumber, rose, hibiscus, and one more I forgot. And they have 5 variants, and they are their best selling product. I have used a lot of aloe vera brands, I mean the brands which sell aloe vera, but the texture, the quality of Pure Me aloe vera was something that actually caught my mind. It is very nice. Let me show you. This is a glass jar, by the way. So this looks classy, and the glass jar packing is environment friendly. And plus, I have heard that if you use a plastic packing, there is sort of chemical release from plastic. I have heard about it. So it's going to damage the product inside, maybe in a smaller way, but it does. So when it comes to glass packing, that is a good thing. So your product is totally safe. And plus, the transparent glass box will make sure you can keep an eye on the quantity which is left inside the box. So now that you have seen the texture of aloe vera gel, you can make out the quality of the product. It's really amazing. I'm really impressed by it. Next up is rose gel. I bought 3 variants, by the way. I have hibiscus, rose, and their aloe vera gel. So I'll show you the rose gel. Honestly, I bought rose gel because of its color. Look at it, it's so cute. I mean, I know it soothes your skin, but if you ask me, it soothes your eyes and soul as well. I just love the texture, and the color is something, it caught my soul. Oh my god, it's too good. Next up is hibiscus gel, and it looks like a ball of fire in the glass. It's really nice. Let me show you the close-up. So basically these gels are for hair care as well as skin care. You don't need any separate interaction for aloe vera already. And hibiscus and rose gel also they are for skincare and hair care. Next up is the apricot kernel meal. So this is for face pack, and the granules are perfect for mild scrubbing as well. So yes, this is something I wanted to try out. Talking about face pack, I bought 2 more. So one is chocolate clay because I love chocolate, and the other one is hibiscus petal one because I love hair care products and skincare obviously. So this is like multi-purpose one. So this is for both skincare as well as hair care. So if you are curious to know how these textures are, I'll show you. First I'll show the chocolate clay one. I'll show the hibiscus one as well. It's pretty in color. Next up are 2 cute oil bottles. They are again cat home. So they are again of glass bottle, and something I liked about is the dropper one. So there is no any mess or something while you take out the oil, so you just have to use the dropper. So the one is kalonji oil. This is for hair, so this is specifically for hair growth. And other one is watermelon seed oil. So watermelon seed oil is for both skincare as well as hair care, especially if you have dry skin. This can be of a lot of use for your skin. So let's see the texture of these 2 oil. So first, which one? Let's go with this one. How can we not show this one, right? So let's see this one. Next up is Hydrosol. Even I'm very new to this. They have different variant of hydrosols available, but I chose rosemary because I have used rosemary oil in the past and it worked good on my skin. So if you're thinking how to use a hydrosol can be used as a toner. So just you have to pat it on your skin after cleansing, or you can use it along with any of these good thing for face pack. So you can use it as a base for your face pack as well. So these are the goody good products I bought from Pure Me Skincare and Pure Me Skin Blends, and I must say I'm very happy with the packing, and I'm very happy with the quality of the product because I have used a lot of DIY products because I am a skincare junkie, and this one the quality actually spoke. And about my shopping experience, it was quite good. As I said, I was initially a bit skeptical about it, but the customer care they have, it's not a separate customer portal as such, so you can just DM them on Instagram, so it's as handy as it comes. And they are available 24/7, so they'll solve your issues as well. So I found it safe enough to have ordered from them. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to place more orders in coming days, and they have a lot of good stuff. Trust me, this is nothing. So I had a lot of fights in my head, which one to buy, which one not to buy. So I'll do one thing. I'll share their WhatsApp number through which you need to place the order, or you can ping them for the catalog. I don't know whether I'll be able to share the catalog here, but do ping them for the catalog. They'll have the list of all the products and their prices and stuff. And plus one more thing I want to tell you is These are natural products, so they don't have a preservative in them, so they don't last for a longer time. So the gels are for the shelf life is for around 6 months, and the cream and other stuff, they are of 3 months. So yes, keep that thing in your mind. So the first impression of the product is a big thumbs up for sure. So I'm very eager to use these things, and I can't use them all at once because it can hamper my review, because I want my review to be as honest as possible. Because see what happens if I use multiple new products all at once, and if that breaks my skin, I won't be able to tell which exactly the product broke my skin, right? So that's why I'm being very patient and stopping myself from using all the product at once. So I'm using one by one. So very soon I'll be able to review all the products, and I'll keep you guys posted. I hope you find this haul of mine useful, and do check their products and their site, and not site, their Instagram page. So yes, soon I'll be uploading the videos of the reviews of each product separately, and I'm also thinking of uploading videos of the multi-purpose of each product. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe so that you don't miss on those precious videos. So yes, I'll see you in my next video, and please coming back to my channel and show your love and support to me and my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.